There is usually a sense of relief after an exam, regardless of your performance. Enjoy the fact that the exam is over, but don't throw away the opportunity to learn from the exam and become a more effective learner. A post-exam review should consist of at least these 3 questions. How well did you really learn? Was your effort sufficient and were your strategies effective? Were you careful and thoughtful in your approach while taking the exam? Let's look at each question. First, how well did you learn? Did you learn what you needed to learn? Do you know why you got the correct answers? Do you know why you got questions incorrect and why the correct answers are correct? This isn't about trying to recover a few additional points. Rather, it's an opportunity to discover the holes in your learning and preparation, as well as assure that you truly understand the material. Ask your professor or TA to review the exam with you. Whether you review the exam alone or with someone, ask clarifying questions to identify why the correct answer is correct, even on the items you got right, to clarify what you know. Second, were your efforts sufficient and were your strategies effective? Think about the time you spent preparing for the exam. How often did you study lecture notes or class readings? After each class? Once a week? Only just before the test or exam? Or just when you needed something to make you sleepy? Hard work is part of the learning process, and spaced practice is essential. Consider whether you should start sooner and/or work harder for the next exam. Consider the strategies you used. Were they truly effective? You may have put in a lot of effort, but used less effective strategies, like rereading textbooks and reviewing your notes a few times. Instead, try self-quizzing, teaching others, working effectively with a study group, and so forth. See the previous videos in this series for other great exam preparation ideas. Above all, don't keep doing more of the same if the same is not working. Third, were you careful and thoughtful in your approach while taking the exam? Did you read the instructions all the way through? Did you read through the exam and plan your time? Did you consider which questions you needed to spend the most time on? Did you do a brain dump when you came to questions requiring memorized information? Did you review your responses to make sure you filled the bubble sheet completely and accurately? Did you outline essays before you started writing? Did you tense up due to test anxiety? Review the videos on taking exams and reducing test anxiety for ideas on how to improve next time. Many students find taking tests and exams a challenge. If you would like more test preparation and test-taking tips, want to try something different, or need help coping with the challenges of university studies, here are a few things you can try. Take Student Development 214R, Test Preparation and Test Taking, a 1-credit hour class offered fall and winter semester. Take Student Development 109, Effective Study and Learning, a 2-credit hour class offered year-round. Watch the other videos we shared on time management, reading, and note-taking. Find a tutor through YServe. Attend lab hours if available. Ask your TA or professor what study resources they recommend. Attend one of the many workshops offered around campus. Reach out to your first-year mentor. They are equipped with resources which could be helpful for you. They will want to hear about your successes and challenges. Visit with a college advisor. If you're on academic warning, probation, or continued probation, visit your ASO advisor and peer coaches. They would love to review your exam preparation and address what support you may need. If life feels tough, even if it has nothing to do with academics, consider CAPS or other support services. Consider both on and off-campus resources. A post-exam review covering these 3 areas will help you identify what you are doing well and how you could improve as you prepare for future exams. More importantly, it will help you become a more confident learner.